I am going to unbox and give an honest review of the TP-Link Tapo C210 home security Wi-Fi camera. Now let's get started. Let's unbox this first. Let's see how well they pack this. Attached to a 128 GB memory card. Let's take a look at what is written here. Let's take a closer look at this memory card. Overall, the quality of the box is not great. This is the user manual. This is probably a screw guide. This is the power adapter. So here's the mounting plate with screws. Tapo C210 camera. This is where the memory card is inserted. So here is everything you get in the box. The cable of the power adapter is too short for me, so I don't like it. Let's turn this thing on. Next, let's insert this memory card. It can be inserted here. For more information on the guide, read the user manual. Let's download the app from the Google Play Store. Search Tapo app. Install. Open. Create a TP-Link ID. Continue. Sign up. Activate your TP-Link account in your Gmail. Click to finish registration. Activation succeeded. Go back to your Tapo app after that. Add device. Search for the model of your device. Tapo C210. Next, enable. Next. Using Wi-Fi, connect to the Tapo camera. Connect to your Wi-Fi. Your device name can be edited. Camera location. Choose an icon for your Tapo device. Sounds good. In this case, I will skip. Got it. Got it. Update all. Done. Go to cameras. My camera works well, as you can see. Go. Got it. Alarm on. Talking to this device is also possible, but the speaker isn't very loud. I think it's made of low-quality materials. This is the actual view of the camera. Using your phone, you can also move your camera. For bonus setup, tap this. Tap the gear icon. Storage and recording. MicroSD card. Initialize. Enable detection. Motion detection. I'll set the motion sensitivity to high. Person detection. Motion tracking. Baby crying detection. Turn on notifications. Activity notifications. There are different kinds of notifications you can adjust. It is also possible to select a custom time. Recording schedule. You can choose either continuous, detection, or don't record.